Guys,
May picture na ako dyan. Kaharap yan.
we are, I don't know the elevation, but this is really high and we cannot see the valley. It's cloudy. This is in Bicol region.